Hello, this is Isaiah Witzke, and this is my stock market analysis tool that me and my friend Hao Yun created in our summertime from our grade 11 to grade 12 years. So I'll start up and I'll show you what it's all about. So here's a bit of a graph. A little bit laggy, but that's because right now there are so many data points being plotted. You can zoom into the graph, you can look at it. We haven't gotten the zooming perfect, but with our current time constraints, it's good enough. Looks pretty good. You can get a bit of an idea for what the graph is doing, what the stock is doing. You can see it's, I think this is daily, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, if you zoom in a little bit more, you can see that this is 2012, the 8th month, the 20th day. Normal candlestick stuff. You can also draw on the graph, do some simple lines. Pretty primitive stuff, but it might be helpful if you want to draw some resistance bands or something like that. Pretty cool. You can also click on other stock data that you've downloaded. I'll show you how you download stock data later. So let's go to Uber here. Zoom out a little bit. And this is a bit of a nicer graph just because there's less data points that that Windows Forms has to render here. So you can zoom in, you can draw a whole lot nicer without as much lag. So that's pretty cool. You can get new stock data by entering in the kind of stock data that you want. So let's try Lululemon. Get some historical data. So here we go. So this goes all the way back to 2008. So it's daily data from 2008 all the way till today, which is 2020 in January. There you go. And if I try to get another stock, let's say the SPY, you can see that Lulu has been saved, and it's now in this list of stocks that I can go back to at any time. So we can click on Lulu again, and boom, we're back. This is all pretty good, but it's not that impressive. It's not really what I wanted to do with this, not the original intention. The original intention for this project was to give me the ability to analyze stocks with a programming language that I wanted to, or that I knew. I knew C#, I knew C++, and a little bit of Python, but I didn't want to learn all of the proprietary languages that other stock market analysis applications would have you learn, like ThinkScript, right? So we can do that here. Strategies. We can edit strategies. They're called strategies. They're just C# scripts. We have a simple moving average example right here. You can see all this code on the GitHub. And here's a bit of a simple moving average. It's going to plot a 20-day simple moving average. So let's go back to the window. We can click on strategies. We can click on execute strategy. We can click on our simple moving average example, open it up, and there's a 20-day simple moving average. Over here it sticks to the 1-day moving average because we don't have 20 days of past data, and then we get some sort of indexing errors. But over here we have the 20-day simple moving average. So that's pretty cool, but really you can do, the whole point of this is you can edit as much as you want. It doesn't have to be a simple moving average. It could be an exponential moving average. It could be some sort of other indicator that you want. I'll just give you a quick little, show you how easy it is to edit the code. So instead of having a 20-day moving average, let's try a 5-day moving average. We'll save that. Come back here, strategies, execute the new strategy. Open that guy up, and there we go, 5-day. yeah, so that's just been a little showcase of this program here. Hope you enjoyed. That's about it.